This is a 20-minute guitar practice routine that will save you years of practice and improve your finger speed, endurance, and control. You can choose to do this routine at the normal speed of 70 BPM or use YouTube speed settings to either slow it down and make it easier or speed it up and get harder. Do this daily to see some serious progress. We're going to start off with a quick stretch and then go through 12 exercises to improve your guitar playing. So let's grab our guitars and get going. I'll put the timestamps on the screen right now if you'd like to skip through. You may need to watch this video more than once to get used to the exercises. Let's begin our quick stretch. We're going to rotate our wrists 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise, open and close our hands 5 times, squeeze gently on the way in, then shake it off and stretch out your fingers very gently. We're ready to begin exercise 1. Exercise 1 is the basic spider walk. We're going to start on the low E string 1st fret and finish on the 6th fret. You'll get the hang of it as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise 1 complete. Exercise 2 is the alternate spider walk. We're going to go from the 7th to the 12th fret. This is great for finger control. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, guys. Exercise 2 complete. Exercise 3 is a 2-octave major scale, 3 notes per string. This is some extra theory added in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now we're going to do the same, but with the minor scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Up next is the diagonal spider walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work, guys. Exercise 5 complete. Exercise 6 are hammer-ons using all 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hammer-ons complete. Up next are hammer-on and pull-off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, guys. Up next, we've got some finger picking practice, or if you use a plectrum, some alternate picking practice. We're going to go E string, A string, D string, G string, holding an E chord. You'll get the hang of it as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the same thing, holding our E chord, but the middle 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now finally, the top 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now we're going to do the same, but we're going to pick thumb, index, thumb, middle finger, and we're going to go E, D, A, G string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now middle 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, the top 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Finger picking, alternate picking section complete. Only a couple exercises next. Feel free to take a break whenever you need it. Stretch off a little bit. Up next we have spider walk triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up next we have a sustained spider walk. We're going to keep our fingers on the strings apart from the one that's going to press the next string only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Up next, we're going to work on our speed. We're going to do a double time spider walk, the speed spider walk. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing work, guys. Next we have our last exercise, pyramid spider walks. These are great for finger isolation, especially working between our ring finger and pinky fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pyramid spider walks complete, and our exercise today is complete. Great job, guys, really good job. Let's quickly just stretch up our hands gently just to cool down a little bit. Roll your wrists a couple times, shake them off and stretch them out. You've completed today's guitar warm-up workout. Really appreciate you doing this with me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Do this daily to improve your speed, your endurance and control. Please let me know how I can improve these videos for you and make them even more useful. Let me know if you have any video requests you'd like me to do soon. Really appreciate you training with me. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and all that good stuff for YouTube. Feel free to check out the other workouts and exercises on my channel, and see you very soon. Have a great day.